Hello, ma'am. Good day. So, my name is Milet B. Aparicio. I am 38 years old, and I'm from Purok 1A, Gabuyan, Capalabao del Norte. I am married, and I have three children, ages 18 years old, 11, and 7 years old. I have two brothers and one sister. I am the youngest of our family. Educational attainment is a high school graduate, ma'am. I am hardworking, honest, patient, and willing to learn. I want to apply abroad, ma'am, because I want to help the needs of my family and to save money for our future. Saudi Arabia, ma'am. I'm taking care of the three children, ma'am, and then I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and dishwashing. Last February 16, 2023, ma'am, to May 8, 2025. If I become homesick, I keep myself busy at my work or activities. Actually, I did not uh, cook in my previous employer, but I know how to cook the basic food like Filipino foods. And I'm willing to learn how to cook a cuisine Malaysian foods. Hello, my future employer. Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Milet B. Aparicio. I'm 38 years old, and I'm from Davao, Philippines. Please, if you hired me, I am hardworking, honest, and patient, and willing to learn. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and God bless.